Hello my dear student, today I am going to teach you about present continuous tense. So what is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is used for an action which is happening at the time of speaking. Now rule of affirmative sentence. You know now affirmative sentence, these are simple statements and end with full stop. Now rule. Subject plus is am are. These are helping verbs. Then plus first form of the verb. It is also called base form plus ing plus object plus other. Okay. Now remember one thing. How you will use is am are. So see here. Is. You will use is with he, she, it and all the singular nouns. Nouns you know na? Names of person, place, animals or things. Okay. Next, am. Am you will use with only I. Is that clear? Are you will use with you, we, they and all the plural nouns. Okay. Example. He is helping needy persons there. He is subject is helping verb. Here he is singular. That is why we will use is. As I said already, you will use he is with he, she, it. Okay. Now helping. Help is first form of the verb and you will add ing. Then it will be helping. Needy person is object and there is other. Next example, they. It is plural. That is why we will use are. Helping verb are. Is that clear? Buy is a first form or base form. You will use ing, then it will be buying. It is main verb. Fruits, object, in the market, other. I hope you understood. Okay. Now rule of negative sentence, very easy. You have to use only not. And it is same as a affirmative sentence. Okay, let's see one time. Subject plus is am are plus not plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus other. Okay, now we will change affirmative sentence into negative sentence by using not only. See here example. He is not helping needy persons there. Same way you will do another one. They are not buying fruits in the market. Is that clear? Let's see rule of interrogative sentence. It is also very easy. It is same as a affirmative sentence, but you will use is am are in the beginning of the sentence. It means you have to use is am are before subject. Okay. Let's see rule. Is am are plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object plus other, and every time I say you have to use question mark in interrogative sentence because it is must. So you will put question mark. Let's see example. Now you will use a affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. See. Is he helping needy persons there? And question mark. Okay. Here he is subject and you shift helping verb before subject for making interrogative sentence. Same as you will do next. Here they subject and you have to shift helping verb before subject they. Then it will be changed into interrogative. Now it will be are they buying fruits in the market and put question mark. Okay students.